from supplementary list. Item number 1.
I can't hear, Chair. Mid video.
Yes.
My Lord, this matter on the 22nd September 2014, the flash flood took place 27 places in North Karo Hills. And to overcome these natural calamities, all suppliers, contractors were selected by the disaster committee district level. And petitioner is one of them. And the petitioner is one of the, appellant is one of the supplier selected by the authorities. And also submit the cattle feeds and for the cattle and the poultries. He had executed the work along with the implementing agency, that is the Animal and Veterinary Husbandry Department.
How many cases are there? 2 cases.
My Lord, here one case is there, 2 cases was there, but one they are not filing appeal. Here one of the petitioner is filing the prison appeal. That is WPC number 279, branch G. Celine and Marak did not file the appeal. It was similar matter, so matter was heard together and government judgment was delivered. And today's appeal is filed by the branch only.
Yes, Mr. Amit?
Yes, my lord. Yes, your lordship. If kindly see the finding of the learned single judge, my lord, on this issue. Learned single judge, my lord, records my argument at page 135, paragraph 21 at page 135. The learned AG has also submitted that petitioner has approached this court only in the month of October 2021. That is after almost 7 years of alleged supply, with a prayer for direction to make payment of final bill of 2 crore 20 lakh rupees. And in case of payment of bill amounting to 6 crore rupees. So there were 2 petitioners, my lord. One sought payment of 2 crore 20 lakh rupees and second sought 6 crore rupees. The petitioner before your lordship is claiming that it has supplied and it is entitled to 2 crore 20 lakh rupees, my lord. Now the entire supply was shrouded, my lord. Paragraph 24, my lord. Factual dispute, my lord.
So how is it maintainable when the factual dispute?
Yes, and that is what that is the finding.
My humble submission is, my lord, there is no factual dispute. What happened in this case, my lord? The authorized implementing agency under the management plan framed by the state of Meghalaya under Section 3, Section 23 of the Disaster Management Act 2005 is the Animal and Veterinary Department. And in the district level, they are the implementing agency, monitoring authority. They are the one who implemented along with the supplier. Now he has filed a detailed affidavit admitting that yes, appellant has executed the work. In his affidavit, my lordship, I take lordship, his affidavit is very clear. I'll just take with lordship permission. Lordship, we kindly come to his affidavit. Page number.
See, I think you are barred by limitation. You cannot approach the civil court. That is the reason why you have filed the writ petition.
My lord, what happened?
If this is allowed, everyone will come saying that indirect way of approaching the court.
I'll satisfy. Where there is no delay.
There is no?
There is no delay. There is no delay. I'll just satisfy. I'll just satisfy. To satisfy the first question of delay in ledgers, my lord, even single bench accepted my argument that there is no delay. May I just show?
That is right. Even assuming that there is no delay.
Yes. And single bench also affirmed that argument.
When there is dispute of question of fact, whether this amount is got to be paid or not, how can we decide about it? Where is the proof that they have agreed that this amount has got to be paid? Then it's not dispute, undisputed question of fact, which we can entertain.
My lord, my humble submission is.
Paragraph 33.
I request not to interrupt. With due respect to AG, please not interrupt. My lord, my duty is to assist the court. Now, who can dispute whether contract is executed by the petitioner? Who will dispute? It is the authority who implement the project. And lordship, his affidavit.
Where is the finding of the learned single judge? There is no delay at all.
Paragraph 21 of the judgment.
No,
Yeah,
finding is
Submitted the petition as approved.
31.
31.
31 of the judgment, impugned judgment. My lord, the argument of the petitioner in this regard is found acceptable by this court, and the authority in the case of Sons and Society at paragraph 22 of the same is also found relevant, wherein the Honorable Apex Court has observed that the learned counsel for the respondents strenuously contended that the petition may be dismissed on account of delay in laches. In view of the
There's no
dire
point of
circumstances
delay
of
and
the
latches,
case
yes.
and the laches held out by the government from time to time, we are not prepared to accede to this submission. Therefore, there is no question of delay in laches while filing this.
That is right. Where is your admission by the other side that about 2.2 crores?
Yes, my
can you see, my lord, paragraph 33?
Question, can we come to page 773?
33. Paragraph 33.
of the memo of appeal,
33, page 141.
73. And relevant para, my lord, of his affidavit, my lord, may I come to para 18 of the affidavit. It is running page 82,
18 of
my lord.
your affidavit.
No, affidavit filed by the veterinary officer.
Your lordship, kindly see
Well,
page
One
141,
minute,
finding
submit one.
I request the
Page number 18.
page number, my lord, page number 82.
82.
82.
Yes.
My lord, submission on merits merit, with lordship permission. But I start from 18. That based on the officer records, it is submitted that severe flash floods and landslides struck the Garo Hills in the month of Such. The floods caused a large-scale destruction in the region and necessitated urgent relief and rehabilitation measures to be taken. One of the relief measures was to provide for necessary feed for affected animals and poultry. Accordingly, by Order Census 2014, District Veterinary Officer initiated request for supply of animal and poultry on short notice. After inquiry, the District Disaster Management Committee by Such identified the petitioner as one of the firm's supplier who was in a position to make available the necessaries.
So you need not read all. You need not read all. Where is the statement by them in their counter affidavit that this amount has got to be paid to you?
No, my lord, may just come to the point. My lord, I request the,
Because we want straight answers, senior advocate.
my lord, only,
We can argue, we can allow the juniors to argue, but as a senior, you must have made the point.
yes. Lordship, this officer, he clearly admitted that yes, work was executed by the petitioner, and only because, my lord, there is a misunderstanding between the department and the officer. May I come to that 11th paragraph, my lord, that in his affidavit, the only, my lord, may I come to page number 86 of that?
86, yes.
Relevant para 27 of the affidavit. The reason why they are not releasing the fund. Madam, para 27, may I read, madam, that in the respective submission of the deponent herein, the above decision was taken bona fidely. However, the view of the Revenue and Disaster Management Department is that the arrangement of not having cattle in the relief camp is contrary to the requirement of para 6.2 of the State Disaster Response Fund and the National Disaster Response Fund, by such fit, concentrate, including water supply and medicine in cattle camps. This, in essence, is the point of difference. So now the department disaster say that I did not supply the feeds in the cattle camp. No, there was some letter written by the veterinary officer that it was not supplied in the cattle camp. But that mistake was corrected by the authority that it was supplied in the cattle camp. And in the same, my lord, same contract, one of the supplier, they have sanctioned.
It's right, that we cannot go into that.
But-
See, you are trying to beat the bush. If you take para number 28, you have very categorically stated that the right and above difference so and so
My lord, the government of
refuse to sanction the amount of so and so.
yes. Since
Sorry, you worked out everything.
paper, my lord,
Sorry, senior. Come. The present appeal has been preferred.
Your lordship permission may
Order
just
the
point
learned
on one
single
with one
jet,
point.
order the learned single jet dated so and so. So, then a single judge has gone into the merits of the matter and come to the conclusion that there is a disputed question of fact, even though Mr. Amit, Advocate General, submitted that there is a delay of 7 years, and that in order to overcome the latches in approaching the civil court, as any civil suit that may be filed is time barred, the present writ petition has been filed. The writ petition has been filed to bypass the limitation and get the grievance redressed, more so the disputed question of fact. We are not inclined to accept the contention of the Advocate General, as the learned single judge in para number so and so, para 31, has categorically discussed with the plea taken by the Advocate General at para number 21 and came to the conclusion that there is no delay at all. For the sake of convenience, para number 21 and para number 31 are extracted below. This court has specifically posed a question to the senior advocate as to whether the amount of 2.2 crores is liable to be paid by the respondent and whether there is any admission. Full stop. Admittedly, there is no admission, and the fact of payment by the respondent to the appellant has been disputed.
My lord, with that, in the check, with lordship permission, that question, my lord, may I just show one page where they have admitted that they are liable to pay. May I just, lordship permission, I'll just point out that page number.
Page number?
That one, my lord, I'll just.
Paragraph 39, your lordship, kindly see
I'll
on
just
limitation.
point out that one.
Paragraph 39 at page 144, one page.
After earlier single bench directed the respondent to the final decision, lordship may kindly come to page number 61. 61. The first repetition I filed, and this honorable court directed the government to take a final decision. Page number 61.
Yes.
Yes, 61. This is a direction given by this honorable court. And my lord, I was allowed to file representation. My representation is page number 62. And in pursuance to that, my lord, authority had disposed of my representation, page number 63. There they have admitted. My lord, with lordship permission, may I read?
Yes.
My lord, in the middle. I hereby inform you that I have submitted all the necessary papers and bills to the Deputy Commissioner of Revenue for payment of the bills, but the office upon the sign is yet to receive the payment for the same. I will make the payment as and when the fund is made available by the concerned Department of Revenue Disaster Management. This is for your kind information in this. This pursues the single bench direction. So they are not disputing. He's the authority.
No. Page number 63. You are reading page number 63.
Yes.
Page number 63, as and when the papers are submitted, they will say that they will scrutinize and pay.
Right.
After scrutinizing, they would have rejected it.
But after that, they never pass an order. Government never pass an order. My lord,
Then you pass orders on the representations.
I have already, my lord, kindly. I have already passed the order, my lord. Kindly see, my friend has not placed the affidavit which was filed. Kindly come to page 64, my lord.
Page number?
Page 64, my lord.
64 is the affidavit.
Yes.
Affidavit, my lord. And kindly see paragraph 8 at page 66.
There is no such order.
Page 66, paragraph. It is submitted that writ petition is bereft of material except for minutes of meeting allegedly took place on 5th December for approving rate of supply of feed. It is also relevant to note that no document has been shown that approval of the government of Meghalaya has been obtained for approving rate of feed. Further perusal of minutes of meeting dated 5th December allegedly show that alleged meeting chaired by Sri so-and-so that was basis of approving the 3 forms. It is matter of record that the empanelment of supply of feed to happy to carry out in a fair and transparent manner as per Government of Meghalaya memorandum. It is clearly stated that any purchase above 50,000 has to be done in fair and even assuming without admitting the order of place by Deputy Commissioner in violation of our government order, same is illegal without any authority, it cannot bind the state government. Now kindly see paragraph 10, my lord. That it is submitted that bare perusal of letter of Deputy Commissioner Revenue 5/12/2014 shows that petitioner has given a letter on 24th November 24, even prior to the meeting of the committee. So committee came into existence, order was and kindly one paragraph in finding, my lord, on limitation issue. Kindly see one paragraph of the learned single judge, paragraph 40 at page 145. Paragraph 40.
Yes, sir, that we have gone to go to the civil court. Yes.
No. That is one on limitation issue only, paragraph 40, 145. That the remedy of redressal to this extent, discounting the period spent in the event for condonation is hereby recorded. So what learned single judge has done is that it has condoned the delay in approaching this period only. To that extent only delay.
Sir, that runs counter to para number 31 of the order.
31 also, kindly read 31.
The argument of petition is accepted by this court.
Yes.
Also, therefore, there is no question of delay or matches while filing this petition.
Writ petition, my lord, in delay, what my plea was before learned single judge, that in writ, delay has to be taken into account. Learned single judge said that delay, the writ has got unlimited jurisdiction and delay cannot be taken into consideration. And to that extent, in paragraph 40, learned single judge has condoned the time period, my lord. It is not that blanket condonation of delay.
Well, with profound respect, man, I bow down again, madam, to show page number 123.
Page number?
Page number 123.
123.
123. In my case, respondent said there is no approval, taking no sanction. Now here is another supplier, same natural disaster. Page number
So
123.
probably that there would not have been any dispute. Now there is a dispute. That's all.
But now here, my lord, 123. They have given a sanction, my lord. Wait a second. 123. With lordship permission, may I just read out?
Yes.
123.
Yes.
My lord, in pursuant to the sanction letter since such 2023, received from the Undersecretary to the Government of Meghalaya Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Shillong, an amount of rupees 1 crore 30 cents such only is held by sanction and released to the following supplier, being the partial cost of supply medicines and livestock feeds, sanctioned by the government state on account of pending settlement of the observation.
Senior, just understand one thing. You are referring to some other person has been given. If you're eligible, they would have given you.
No, my lord.
This is a dispute of question of fact.
What happened, my lord? May I just clarify?
Sorry.
It's the same sanction order.
If you have a case, straight away you'll allow the matter.
It's the same sanction order, man. It's a discrimination.
So, for orders on Monday. Yes.
Grateful, sir.
Orders reserved. Orders reserved. Yes.
All right.
You come, I'll dictate down notes.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Was it matter related to land acquisition matter, Lordship? It was pending before the.
1 minute. This is bring to the law also received. This is judicial officer Nongpa along with so on. So, the district and say, where to transfer?
Yes, Lordship.
Yeah, Lordship, East Khasi Hills, because the analogous matter is already in East Khasi Hills, Lordship.
Where?
The analogous matter is in East Khasi Hills.
Shillong.
So we can transfer it there.
Lordship.
Yes. Please. Both parties agreed that matter will be transferred. So you mentioned this, in view of the fact that judges appeared, presiding officer has appeared for one of the parties also. Yes.
Similar order for item number 2, Lordship.
Same matter, Lordship.
Same place.
Yes, same case.
Same.
Same.
Yes. 1 and 2.
Yes.
And ma'am, I'll complete the dictation. Any mentioning?
No, Lordship, same party, Lordship.
And for the collector, my lord.
Yes, we just transferring the matter to some other
My
judge.
lord, I have seen the report, my lord. Yes, the honorable judge has recused.
Yes,
he was the
because
counsel.
they appeared. Yes.